Hi, I'm going to talk to you today about how to repair basic trail damage. Now what we have here is my little simulation that I made of what's called a water runoff. What happens is water runs down the trail and then hits this, and hopefully it will be mostly directed all off the trail. They're usually constructed a lot better than this, but this is just for a demonstration. So if you see one of these broken, like a rock has shifted out of place or something, just take an extra few seconds just to put the rock back in place, because it'll keep it from getting broken even worse. Now it's really important that you do that, because then the rest of the trail won't get eroded below, because if it starts coming over, it's going to start wearing away all this stuff, and eventually it's going to break, and then water's just going to go down the trail and start ruining the rest of the trail and wearing it out. Also, if you see a spot like that muddy one back there and it's missing a lot of the leaves off of it, you could just kick some leaves onto it or whatever. If you notice one of your buddies churns up a rock or something and you think that it might start causing some bad erosion, just kick it back into place. It only takes a few seconds. So just keep an eye out for trail damage. If it's really bad, like a huge tree has fallen down, obviously you can't take care of that. But what you can do is call a ranger station. At the bottom of most hiking areas there's a billboard or anything, and usually it'll have a number for a ranger station. Call them and they'll take care of it. Don't try to do it yourself. It's not worth it. Just small things, make sure you fix them, then everybody can enjoy the trail.